Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella and today I'm going to be reacting to this video. So I have this video here and it's called Super Weird Uber Ride and I've never watched it before, so I thought it'd be fun to just take you guys along and we can watch this real quick. Also, if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'll have it linked down below. It's just Izzy Priest. Also, if you haven't heard of this awesome app called Solo, definitely check it out. It's great for rideshare drivers and gig workers. Basically, they will help you get guaranteed pay. They'll help with taxes. You can track your miles on there. They really help with everything. Be sure to check that out. If you use our link to sign up and link your gig account, you can get $10 literally just for free as long as you attach your Venmo or PayPal. Check it out, link in the description. Alright, so I'm gonna just set this video up here. Like I said, I've never seen this before, so I guess we'll both be here on a wild ride.
Some of you might recognize me for this, but I have a lot of requests to see it uncut in real time. And I'm happy to share because I think this ride epitomizes how chaotic driving Uber late night can be. For context, this is around 2 a.m. at a bar that was kind of off the beaten path. You should know that I have absolutely no idea.
Okay, already I feel like people have the most weird Uber experiences at from the bar at 2 a.m. so that kind of makes sense. I'm guessing the passengers were drunk, but let's just see what happens.
Who the person is that pulls up about halfway through, and neither did the people in my car. And also, when I get cursed out at the end, that was by the guy that was in my car, and I think I handled it well. Awkward, sure, but that's expected when you're biting your tongue and holding back what you really want to say. Let me know what you think in the comments, if you guys would have handled it differently. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.
Yeah. Said my house first and
No. Sure. Probably fine. My street? Yep.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
and then gonna drive him to his house.
No.
Okay, already this is looking really suspicious because she's saying to drop them off at 2 different places and he's saying to just drop them off at her house, so it sounds like she doesn't want to have him come home with her, which is already a red flag, but let's just see what happens. Oh my god, see, they're already arguing. That's so
No,
bad.
you're not. Oh my god.
Go to your house first. You got, well, how far you live?
5 minutes away.
You said 5 minutes from here, and it's 15 minutes. I just can't be going that much.
Okay, well, we'll put it back in your GPS.
Just go to her house, dude. It's fine. Go to her house. I gotta call another cab before we get there. Dude, you just got beer in my thing. If she doesn't want you to go to your house, you got beer in my now. I want to clean that up.
Oh my god, yeah, see, this is the problem with picking up drunk passengers, is that they're gonna, spill things. I've said this in plenty of other videos, but always keep cleaning supplies in your car just in case things like this happen, so you can just clean it up right away and it's not sitting there. Or if you were gonna pick up more passengers after this, you don't have to spend that much time running around trying to clean it because everything's already in your car.
Stop, will you stop?
Alright.
No, I want to fill the car with beer. I'm not that bad. I'm very sorry. But I understand. I'm not upset. I just want to clean it up. Yeah, it was a little splash on me. I'm sorry. It's all good. And you gotta understand, in my situation, I'm just trying not to block these all the car. It's all good. And you just gotta understand my situation. I don't know how you guys know each other. She doesn't want you to go. You guys might be brothers and sisters, right? You just gotta work with me here a little bit, Yeah.
I think the driver in this case is handling the situation fine, he's being respectful and mature, I feel so if you're ever in a situation like that, try not to freak out at your passengers and just remain calm what this guy's doing, and just because people can be a little weird when they've had some alcohol, so
I just don't want to,
I give you a fucking.
What's that?
Yes, yes, it's a different house. That's all. It's not a big deal.
But how far is a different house?
5 minutes.
But,
And I'll send you to
but that's not in the app, so it's just like...
Another thing, I feel like when you pick up drunk passengers like this, you'll get bigger tips. That's a pro tip from me. You can see it right here in the video. She's offering to tip him $20 for a 15-minute ride. That's crazy. She would not be doing that if she was sober.
You guys just want to call another Uber, it might be a lot easier.
No.
Wait, hold on. Are you the white Mazda? Yeah, no, we're taking this. I'm not an Uber driver though. Yeah, you're the white Mazda? Yeah. Yeah, I called you. Come here. No, I'm not. I already did it. No, I'm not Uber. I came up with
Oh my god, okay, so this guy thought... So this random driver comes just to check on them. That's like kind of weird. I don't know, I'd never just like get out of my car to like knock on someone else's window to check on them. And now the passenger thinks that this random guy is actually the Uber driver.
Would you guys just... Yeah, would you mind just grabbing another one?
Honestly, honey, I just drive with
By the way, never accept cash tips, okay? This is against Uber and Lyft's rules. You need to ask them to tip within the app because you could get deactivated for this, so just something to keep in mind.
I don't know where he's going. Like, I don't know. You guys are like...
Honestly, 5 minutes away. Another 20 bucks.
Like...
I promise.
So where's your job? Are you in Philadelphia too?
Yeah, it's all... No, promise.
Like, you guys aren't even coherent, so that's why I'm like very...
Well, no.
You literally said that you forgot to bring a beer in this car. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you just gotta understand. I'm not being upset. It's just like, let's be real with this situation. Would you mind just grabbing another Uber? And it'll work out. I'm sure someone else is going towards Philadelphia. I live in Philadelphia. I live in Philadelphia. So would you mind? I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I really do. Thank you, sir. Yeah, and it sounds like she has cash, and it works out.
Wait, I'm so confused. I thought this other guy... So the other guy's just taking them. I don't know. I honestly have no idea what's going on at this point.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, because I'm the other way. Thank you very much.
Oh, that's nice. So I guess this random guy, so he's not an Uber driver, but he's just offering to drive him home just to be nice. I don't know. Yeah, this is very weird. Super weird Uber ride. Definitely a fitting title. Oh my god. This is why it's so annoying dealing with drunk people.
My man, you good? You good, man? I appreciate it, man.
Oh my
Take care.
god.
Alright, man.
What the heck? Okay, so that was an interesting video. I thought it'd be more like, I thought more was gonna happen, but that is really weird. So I want to know If you were put in this situation, what would you do? Let me know down below in the comments. Also, again, just a reminder, check out Solo. We have our link in the description. Yeah, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.